Hey traders, Roberto here. Just an update on the Pip Blocker Master and also the Forex Trend Rider indicator. These two indicators together can help you avoid false breaks or false signals rather. And let me explain how. Notice on this USD Swiss, on the left-hand side, we have an obvious chart pattern, which is an ascending wedge and price breaking below the ascending wedge, triggering a sell signal on Pip Blocker Master and Forex Trend Rider. There it is, two signals on both indicators confirming this trade to the downside. And I'm still in this trade up 47 pips. Actually, this is the second trade. The first trade I took was up here when it initially generated a sell signal, and then up here, and now I got in late, but still up 47 pips. Let's look at some other pairs. Pound Australian dollar, the same thing. We have an ascending wedge, price breaking below the ascending wedge. Notice on the right-hand side, two trade signals confirming this trade. And I have since exited this trade, but it generated at least 67 pips. And this trade generated at least 150 pips, about 192 to the downside. Here's another trade on gold. On the left-hand side, we have a double dot bottom and a trendline break. Here is the Forex trend indicator giving us a buy signal. And as long as these candles are green, there's no reason to exit that trade. Here's the 1 hour chart and the 4 hour chart. Hip blocker and trend indicator giving us buy signals confirming this trade. So we have two indicators that can help us avoid these false breaks that we often see in indicators, or actually false signals or alerts rather. Here's another trade that was taken on pound New Zealand. We have a double top, we have a trend line break, symmetrical triangle as well. Pip blocker and Forex trend indicator giving us two separate sell indicators confirming this downward trend. Still in this trade, currently up 79 pips. So that's it for the two indicators. If you'd like to purchase it, I'll post it on the bottom of this YouTube video. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.